Hi, I'm Alex from Schnucks Markets. Today we're going to make rosemary-infused prosciutto stuffed chicken, cacio e pepe, and oven roast green beans. It's a meal for four you can prepare in less than 30 minutes, and it'll cost you less than $50. For the oven roast green beans, place in a bowl and toss with the seasoning, the olive oil, and the feta. Place on a lined sheet tray and bake in the oven at 375 degrees. For the chicken, slice each breast almost all the way in half and open them up on the cutting board like a book. Cover them with a sheet of parchment paper and then hammer them flat with a meat tenderizer or a cast iron skillet. After you've flattened your chicken, season both sides, then cover one side with pesto and half of the cheese. Place 2 slices of prosciutto on top of the cheese, then top the prosciutto with the other half of the cheese. Starting on one end, tightly roll the stuffed chicken breast up to form a log. Skewer the rolled chicken with 2 rosemary sprigs to hold it closed, then bread it in the seasoned panko. Place the butter and olive oil on a skillet, then brown your pre-breaded chicken per side. Once you've browned all sides, bake it in the oven at 375 degrees with the green beans for the remaining 10 to 15 minutes. Cook the pasta in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, toast the black pepper and butter in a separate sauté pan. When the pasta is done, remove it and put it directly in the sauté pan with the pepper and the butter. Slowly add pecorino romano and some of the starchy pasta water, stirring it to form a smooth sauce. For the sauce, add the heavy cream and Dijon to a skillet, stir to combine, and heat over a low heat until it's hot. Plate your green beans and pasta, then serve the chicken on a bed of sauce, drizzling some of the remaining sauce over the top.